Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view and send message headers in Outlook 2016 or 365. This is particularly useful when you need to troubleshoot email delivery issues, verify the authenticity of a message, or trace the path an email took to reach your inbox. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to your mailbox. Make sure you're fully logged in and your inbox is visible before moving forward. This ensures that all your messages are properly synced and ready to work with. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to your inbox pane. Here, you'll need to locate the specific email whose message headers you want to view. Take a moment to find the right email, then double-click on it. This action will open the email in a new window, separating it from your main inbox view. Opening it in a separate window gives you better access to the advanced options we'll need in the next steps. Now that your email is open in its own window, look at the top part of your screen where you'll see the main menu bar. Click on File. This will bring up a file menu with several options related to the email you're viewing. From this menu, locate the option labeled Properties and click on it. As soon as you do this, a Properties dialog box will appear, and you'll directly see the Internet Send message headers displayed in the text field at the bottom of this window. These headers contain all the technical routing information about the email, including the sender's server details, timestamps, and the path the message traveled through various mail servers before reaching you. You can copy this information if you need to share it with IT support or use it for troubleshooting purposes. Simply select the text in the headers field, right-click, and choose Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it to your clipboard. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the message headers in Outlook 2016 or 365, giving you full visibility into the technical details of your email. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.